Hello glamour ghouls and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Midge Munster and on this channel we do all things campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. So I have been wanting to make some kind of spring gardening video for a couple of weeks now, but this has been without a doubt the rainiest spring I have ever seen in Missouri. For the last 2 weeks we've literally either had just torrential rain. In fact, we had so much wind and rain that we lost a bunch of shingles on our roof and our roof leaked into our master bedroom, so we're having our roof replaced right now. But it's just been like nonstop storms, wind, and the days where it's been sunny, it's been like 95 to 100 degrees and humid. I just have not been able to find a time to shoot outside and do a gardening video. But something else in that spring vein that I have really been wanting to do is to make my own little gardening witch hat. I saw this TikTok last year from perhaps a wildflower, and I actually believe she was not the first person to do this. I think she got the idea from Sheila Sardi on TikTok. But basically people were buying 2 straw hats from a craft store and using them to create a straw witch hat and then decorating them for spring. And I saw this video like late in the summer or like early fall last year, and I immediately added it to my spring content for this year. I knew I wanted to do this in the springtime. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making our own spring witch's hat and decorating it. Hopefully, if the weather lets up sometime within this week, I will also be able to get some footage of me planting my herb garden out on my deck. But overall, I'm very excited for this craft project and I've already bought all the supplies, so let's take a look at what we're gonna need today. So starting out, we have 2 of these straw hats from Michaels, and I got really lucky. These were on clearance when I bought them and they were $2 a piece. So both of these for $4, which is awesome. Basically, we need one for the base of the actual hat, and then we're going to unravel this one to make the point of the hat. I also have just a sheet of craft foam. This is also going to help us construct the point of the hat. And then as far as decorating the hat goes, you can do whatever your heart desires. I really wanted to try to match it to this skirt I have from Vixen by Micheline Pitt. This is one of my favorite spring outfits. I wear it with a little purple top, and I just think it has a very like springy, garden witchy, practical magic-y vibe about it. So my goal in picking out materials was to try to match this fabric as best as I could. So I got a bunch of faux flowers, starting with these blue hydrangea, which are definitely in this print here. I got some different kind of like, I don't know what you would call these, like kind of wispy, branchy, blue and purple flowers. I got these like beautiful purple kind of, is this wisteria? Is that right? Just really pretty purple bundles of flowers. And then much like the print, I got a couple different versions of these pink kind of peony rose-like blossoms. And then to finish it all off, I got 2 different ribbons. I got a kind of purple lavender ribbon, a silk ribbon, and the same ribbon in kind of a sagey, a very light sagey green. I did not have the skirt with me when I did my shopping, so overall I'm really happy with how this all looks together. I think the flowers match the fabric really nicely. Obviously we're gonna trim the flowers off these stems here in a minute. And then really the only craft supplies we should need other than that are a pair of scissors and a hot glue gun. So first things first, let's get started constructing the actual form of our hat. Okay, so this is where we're at. I've got the hat portion finished. To be very honest with you, getting the top of this to look correct was very hard. I don't know if I did the cone shape too wide or like too pointy at the top. I don't know, but it was a lot of trial and error and finagling to get this to be the right shape and to still have like a point and not just like an open hole at the top. Wait, that's kind of cute. Wait. Anyway, but I think it's looking very good. It definitely looks like a witch's hat. I'm very excited. I have completely run out of hot glue. So I think I am going to take a break for the evening. I'll go get some more glue from the craft store and we can work on the floral aspect first thing tomorrow morning. So I will see you then. Good morning. So we are all finished with building the base of the hat. I have gotten a lot more glue sticks from the craft store. So this morning our focus is just going to be on finishing up decorating the hat and making it look pretty. It already looks really pretty actually. I think this is really, really cool. I think what I'd like to start with is maybe wrapping some of these ribbons around here to create kind of a hat band and then have some of them kind of falling off the back, like make a little ribbon train off the back of the hat. And then once I have that in place, I'll kind of place a wreath of flowers around the base as well. And then finally, what I want to do is glue some ribbon into the hat and create a little under the chin tie to hold it to our head. So that's the basic plan. I think it should go pretty quickly as long as I don't get too much into my too much jean and spend an ungodly amount of time just trying to make it look exactly how I want it. And for the first time in what feels like 100 years, it is actually beautiful, 73 and sunny today. So once we get this finished, we can actually go outside and film a reveal outside with our little garden. I just keep finding hot glue strands everywhere. All right, let's get crafting. I legitimately could not be more thrilled with the way this turned out. It is so like cute and feminine and witchy, and I feel like an absolute queen wearing this. I strongly recommend that if you had any desire to create a straw gardening summertime witch hat, that you do it immediately. This is so great. I'm like already ready to make another one. Now I'm thinking like how fun would it be to make some kind of like tiki witch hat for the summer to wear to the pool. Anyway, I am so happy with this. I had such a fun time crafting today. I really hope that you all are enjoying some of these more DIY centric videos. I really enjoy making them. If you do like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That does help me kind of know what content you all enjoy watching best. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know if there's anything specific you've seen floating out there that you'd like to see me DIY or spookify. Also, if you're not already, be sure to subscribe to the channel before you leave today. We are headed into the prime decor hunting season in just a couple of weeks, and you are not going to want to miss a single video. So hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you be a part of the Glamour Ghoul Gang. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And until next time, keep it campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. Bye!
When ghosts come out to social.